how to change what game you're playing on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change what game you're playing on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to change what game you're basically playing on Discord, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Discord application here, and once you launch the Discord app, you want to come to this page here and then just go to this option called privacy and safety, and then from here look for the option called display current activity as a status message. So what happens is that if you're playing Roblox, your status is going to show as playing Roblox. Now this process is automatic, you don't have to change it. If you're playing Fortnite, it's going to show playing Fortnite or something like that. But if neither of these work, what you can do is you can try to tap on set status and select custom status here and just select any of the games that you want. So here you can just type in now playing, depending upon which game you want to actually type in over here. You can just go ahead and then enter that, and once done you can just tap the save option to save the changes. This way you should be able to basically change what game you're playing on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.